Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a passkey on Binance. Take a moment to ensure you're ready, and let's dive into these simple, straightforward steps together. First, head over to the Binance website and log into your account. If you haven't logged in for a while, you'll need your usual credentials handy, your email or phone number, and of course, your password. If you happen to have two-factor authentication set up, be prepared to confirm your identity with that as well. Always enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, even if you're using a passkey. Combining multiple security layers ensures maximum protection for your crypto assets. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where your profile icon is located. Give it a click. This section houses a lot of your account details, providing a home base for all your account management tasks. After clicking on your profile, look for the Account option in the drop-down menu. This will grant you access to the core settings and preferences related to your account. Here, you'll find various settings tailored to help you manage your profile and enhance security. Speaking of security, that brings us to the next step. Locate the Security tab and click on it. This is a critical section, particularly for those interested in securing their account with a passkey. It's here that Binance offers various tools and settings aimed at bolstering the safety of your account and information. Binance constantly updates its security tools. It's a good habit to revisit this section from time to time to make sure you're taking advantage of the latest protections. Next, you'll notice an option labeled Enable. This is your starting point for adding new security features to your account. Clicking on Enable will open a menu of options, allowing you to choose various methods of securing your account. You're here to add a passkey, a convenient and secure method to protect your account. Within the menu, search for the Add Passkey button and select it. This is a crucial step, so take a moment to ensure you're choosing the correct option. Now, once you've selected Add Passkey, Binance will send a verification code to your registered email address. Head over to your email inbox. Don't forget to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it right away, and retrieve that code. Once you have it, return to the Binance Security Settings page and enter the verification code into the appropriate field. This step ensures it's really you making these changes and not someone else. After successfully entering the verification code, simply click on OK to finalize the process. This step confirms and commits the passkey setting to your account. And there you have it. You've added a passkey to your Binance account. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest crypto security tutorials.